In today's video, I'll teach you how to create Snapfish account. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in this link www.snapfish.com/sign up. Press enter. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the sign up interface of Snapfish. From here, you'll be able to create the account for yourself. You can see over here, you'll be able to sign up with Google, or you can also sign up with your email and enter the password. So what you have to do is click on the sign up method that you prefer. Here, I'm just going to enter the credential. For that, click on the field of email and provide the email address with which you would like to create the Snapfish account. Likewise, create a password for yourself. Your password must be at least 8 characters. It is recommended to use upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters to create a strong password. So create the password accordingly. Now after you do that, enter your first name. Likewise, enter the last name. You can also enter the US mobile number if you want. It is completely optional. Now after you enter these informations, click on this option sign up that you can see on the screen. Now after a while, you can see over here your account will easily be created. So like this, you'll be able to create the account for yourself. So that is how you create Snapfish account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.